To enable Google Assistant on POCO M8 Pro 5G, we're going to start by opening settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we need to find Google. Click on it and then navigate to all services. Scroll down until you find Search Assistant and Voice. Then select Google Assistant, and finally we can scroll down again until we find Digital Assistant from Google and select Google Assistant, confirm the switch. Now that way you activate Google Assistant, and also one more thing that you need to check before you actually gonna start using it is to enter main settings again, go to apps, click on those three dots and enter other settings. Then select default apps and find the assistant and voice input on the bottom. Then in Digital Assistant app, make sure that you have Google selected. That way, if in this case I will hold my power button, I'll be able to call out my Google Assistant. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.